E esse mga kita tem uma comunicação virtual com o subsecretário de Nações Unidas, ora anunciar um projeto importante de cooperação entre Nações Unidas, Governo de Aruba e Reino. Na trata aqui de próxima conferência Aruba é modelo de Public-Private Partnership. Aruba está explorando o acercamento aqui de diferente de seu projeto na infraestrutura. Dia 22 para 28 de março próximo, lo compartir nossa experiência com o mundo inteiro. Pero junto com a conferência Aruba P3A y confirma outro anúncio que já começa a forma ora para o primeiro-ministro visitar Nações Unidas a passar.
This conference will provide governments and private sector representatives with the opportunity to showcase and discuss their ongoing and upcoming PPP projects. But also during the P3A conference, there will be the opening of the Center of Excellence in Aruba. And that's why we have here the advisor to the Prime Minister on Foreign Affairs and our UN liaison, Ms. Jocelyn Cruz, who will further elaborate on the Center of Excellence.
We are honored as well that the United Nations also chose Aruba to establish a Center of Excellence for Sustainable Development. We announced this during the Green Conference in Aruba, and the idea of this Center of Excellence for Small Island Development States is that we will leverage on the Aruban experience already, namely, of course, on the area of renewable energy, but also other aspects of sustainable development, and anchor this as a best practice or examples, and build also on the best practices from different small island development states and create a knowledge base where we can share this knowledge and information to actually help countries through South-South cooperation in increasing their capacity for sustainable development. So it's an honor because I think we are having the PPP conference, of course, in Aruba in March, and that we will be able to officially open the center as well. It's another honor and just serves to prove again that the United Nations really looks at Aruba as a great example for best practices, not just on renewable energy, but on sustainable development, and definitely the practices such as PPP that are embedded in the whole sustainable development principles.
Lo 13 junto total de 37 ambassador de diferentes islas chiquito de desarrollo. Y es aquí lo bini de región caribense, Pacífico y Latinoamérica, y sin olvidar lo cual es región africano. Nan lo bini aquí pa plataforma para recibir así una plataforma internacional onde nan lo por reenforzar lo cual es cooperación para llegar a realizar en meta de desarrollo sostenible. El tópico que lo guardo discutir durante a conferência aqui, da tópico na maneira oceans, la manan, conectividade, sustainable agriculture, agricultura sostenible, turismo sostenible, desarrollo de lo cual renewable energy, infraestructura y financiamiento.